Welcome to this tutorial on how to predefine image and text area in product customization using the PrestaShop Custom Product Design module. This module is developed by FME Modules, a leading PrestaShop development company with over 140 modules in its catalog. Let's start by going to the PrestaShop backend. First, ensure that the Custom Product Design module is installed. Now open the product for which you want to limit the customization area. Click Edit, then go to the Module section and click on Configure. Here, you can set the customization options for this specific product. Select one of the layers. If you haven't added any layers yet, click on the Add a Design button to create one. To predefine the area for customization, click on the Add Workplace Area button. This will add a customizable area on the product image. Resize the area and position it where you want users to add their customization. Once the area is set, click Save and then Publish. Now let's go to the store front end and check the customization. As you can see, customization is restricted to the area we defined, ensuring that no customization happens outside the selected area. That's how you can predefine image and text positions using the PrestaShop Custom Product Design module by FME Modules. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us on our website.